The distance between the popping crease and the bowling crease is 4 feet. The West Indies hit 421 batting first in their warm-up match versus who? New Zealand. What was the official name of the first World Cup? Prudential World Cup. What town are the Derbyshire County Cricket Club based in? Derby. The prize money of Prudential World Cup for the winner amounted to $4,000. Who won the Maximum Sixes Award for the IPL 2008 season? Sanath Jayasuriya. In first-class Indian matches, the maximum distance allowed from pitch to the boundary line is 75 yards. The Ashes, who were the head coaches of each side in 2019? Australia, Justin Langer; England, Trevor Bayliss. Who was the man of the match in the 1975 World Cup final? Clive Lloyd. Which national team were called Baggy Greens? Australia. The 1975 World Cup, the first of its kind, was played at Lord's, London. When was overarm bowling accepted as legal? (1864). What was total number of matches played in the 1975 World Cup? 15. Australia, who registered their highest individual score? David Warner 166 v Bangladesh. Who won the first World Cup 1975? West Indies. When was the Durham County Cricket Club founded? (1882). What was the margin of West Indies' victory over Australia in the first 1975 World Cup final? 17 runs. Who was the player of the IPL 2017 season? Ben Stokes. Which cricketing law classifies throwing to be illegal? Law 24. The Ashes, who scored the highest individual score for each side in 2019? Australia, Steve Smith 211, England, Ben Stokes 135. Thank you for watching our video. Please put your score in the comments. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe for more videos from our channel.